तरफ से आप सबका और खास तौर से महामहिम श्री APJ अब्दुल कलाम साहब का यहाँ पर औरंगाबाद में इस समारोह में स्वागत करता हूँ और साथ साथ उनके यहाँ जो आए इस गेस्ट से हमारे सबका स्वागत करता हूँ और उम्मीद करता हूँ ये विश्वविद्यालय हिंदुस्तान के कोने कोने पर इसकी बात पहुँचेगी। यहाँ के जो चांसलर हैं उनकी बेपनाह मेहनत और मशक्कत के बाद ये पहला कॉन्वोकेशन हो रहा है। उनकी हमारी पूरी शुभकामनाएं हैं कि वो इस यूनिवर्सिटी को 4 चांद लगाएं और इस यूनिवर्सिटी का नाम भी इसी तरह से रोशन करते हैं जिस तरह के अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी का नाम है। ये मैं अपनी तरफ से उनकी दुआ दे रही है और मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि यहाँ के छात्र छात्राएँ जो डिग्री लेकर जा रही हैं उनको अच्छी नौकरियाँ मिलेंगी, उनका मुस्तकबिल शानदार होगा। ये मेरी दुआ है। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।
Request the Honorable Chief Guest, Bharat Ratna Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the former President of India, for his convocation address. Honorable Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam ji.
मुरादाबाद आकर आउट दीनदयाल महावीर यूनिवर्सिटी में आपसे मिलकर बहुत खुशी हो रही है। Friends, I am in Muradabad. Murad, a wish. What is the wish? You want to fly? All of you with me? You can fly? Yes? You will fly? All of you repeat what I am going to say. You are ready? Will you repeat? I am born with potential. I am born with goodness and trust. I am born ideas and dreams. I am born with greatness. I am born with confidence. I am born with confidence. I am born with wings. I am born with wings. So, I am not meant for crawling. I have wings. I will fly. I will fly. I will fly. How many of you fly? Friends, I would like to greet Shri Iqbal Mahmood ji, Honorable Minister for State for Food and Consumer Affairs, Shri Suresh Jain, Chancellor of the University, Shri Manish Jain, Group Vice Chairman, Professor R.K. Mittal, Vice Chancellor, Professor R.K. Mutkal, Registrar, Dr. J.P. Jain, Controller of Examination, Swami Ravindra Kirti ji, and honor degree, CASA degrees, DSc degrees, Doctor of Philosophy degrees, Shri Ravindra Jain, noted singer. I am his fan, always I was his fan. He is a great singer. And Dr. Ashok Seth, renowned cardiologist, Shri Aravind Dham, Chairman and Rakesh Jinjinwala, noted investor, Shri Narendra Patra, Chairman of Patra Hospitals, for all of them, and all the graduating students, and also students of TMU, all of you, and faculty members, my greetings to all of you. God bless you. Friends, I am indeed delighted to participate in the first convocation of TMU Muradabad. I am happy to know that the university, established in 2008, has now multi-pronged focus covering various dimensions of learning, including engineering, biology, history, political science, pharmacy, nursing, medicine, architecture, and many other areas of all of which are very vital disciplines for the socio-economic growth of our country. Dear young friends, I congratulate all the students who are graduating from this university today. I commend the faculty members who have taken extraordinary care in shaping the young mind and building capacities in them which will facilitate the student to achieve greater heights in their personal career. This is indeed the requirement of the 21st century knowledge society. My greeting to all the students, faculty members, staff and distinguished guests and parents participating in this convocation function. When I am in the midst of you, I would like to discuss on the topic University